Again a heartily welcome to my class 12 student. Today we will start the topic electric field line. So first of all we will understand what do you mean by electric field line. What is that? It is a curve drawn in such a way that the tangent to it at each point in the direction of net field at that point. Means if you will say indirectly, student, it is an imaginary line, okay? And once you are drawing the imaginary line, you can take the shape of curve, and this curve, if you draw one tangent, that will show you the direction of electric field. So that is the electric field line. So electric field line, if you will see, it is a 3-dimensional space. Okay, it can be explained in 3-dimensional space, but we cannot show you 3-dimensional space, so we are drawn for you in a plane. Clear? So in electric field line, student, we will show you some positive charge, what is the direction of electric field line, some negative charge, what is the direction, or if we will create two charges near to each other, positive and negative, what is the electric field line direction. Okay. So first of all we will see for the positive charge. So when you are considering any positive charge, means this is act as a source. What happened? It create an electric field line in outward direction. If you will see the arrow mark, student, the arrow is in the outward direction. So here what happened? The charge value is greater than 0 and electric field line is acting in outward direction. Clear? But if I will take a negative charge, see, I have taken here negative charge, and here what happened, the Q is less than 0, means charge value is negative. That's why here you will see the arrow mark of electric field line in a inward direction. Clear to you? Again you can check it out, student. If you are considering a positive charge, the electric field line in outward direction, and if you are considering the negative charge, the electric field in inward direction. But these two things you will remember, because this two things comes as a question. What is the direction of electric field line if Q is greater than 0 and if Q is less than 0? Then you have to identify that if Q is greater than 0, that is for the positive charge, and Q is less than 0, that is for the negative charge. Clear to you? Now the third point, student, you see, if I have considered two positive charges, what I have considered? The two positive charges. So if you are considering the two positive charges, I have told you that the electric field line for the positive charges is always in outward direction. So here you see, here direction also I have shown you outward, and this is also coming at outward direction. Similarly, this is also positive charge, student. It is showing the direction in outward, and this is also showing the direction in outward direction. Clear to you? So these two charges are positive. But if you are taking one diagram for positive in negative charge, then what happened to the electric field line? So as we know, a charge always starts from positive and ends towards negative. So if you will see the imaginary line created, it starts from positive, but you can see the direction, my dear student, it is in outward. See, direction is again outward, not this is coming towards, it is in outward direction, and it is reaching to the negative charge. And what negative charge do you know? It is towards. So see, the direction of this arrow is in the inward direction, and the direction for the positive charge in outward direction. But if you are considering two, so there is an attraction, means positive and negative. So what charge start from positive and end towards negative charge. So this is something looking like a dipole. Understood? What is dipole? Having two pair of charges. Clear? Same is magnitude and separated by some distance. Okay, but here you see positive charge one is there, another is negative charge. So positive charge, you know the value should be positive, and for the negative charge it is negative. So what happened? For the positive charge, it starts from positive and ends toward negative. But maximum student doing mistake at this position. Here you have to remember that, student, if it is a positive charge, what happened? The arrow should be in outward direction. See, the arrow is outward direction, but here you see the arrow is in inward direction. So this thing you have to remember. Now we will move to the general property of electric field line. So these three properties also maximum time they are used to ask in the exam. What is the general property of electric field line? So one already I have discussed with you. What is that? A field line start from positive and end towards negative. And if there is a single charge, you know it start from one point and ends at infinity. Okay. Second, in a charge free region means when there is no charge. That time electric field line can be taken a continuous curve without any break. Means there is a no distinct manner, but it is in the continuous manner when there is a charge free region. Clear? Third is two field line can never cross each other. Yes, this is very much important and very much important word which always you have to understand. See, here many lines I have drawn for you, but can you see at any place they are intersecting with each other? No. What is the reason behind it, student? Because one line can show you the one direction. Suppose this electric field line will show you the one direction of field line. Similarly, this line can show you the one direction of electric field. But if they will super, or you can say if they will intersect with each other, what happen? One field line show you the two direction, because you know that a curve show a direction by creating one tangent over it. Okay, so that is the point I have told you. What is the electric field line? It is basically a curved line at which if you draw one tangent, it will show the direction of electric field. So if they both will intersect, what happen? For one electric field line we have two direction, which is not possible. So here definition, the conclusion I have written that if they did means if they will intersect which electric field line, the field at a point of intersection will not have a unique direction, means it will show two direction. But as we know, one electric field lines will show one direction, which is wrong. Clear? Okay. Fourth point is electric field line does not form any closed loop. This follow from the conservation nature of the electric field. Means electric field line never form a loop, but it start from one end and end at. And now student, we will move to the concept of electric flux. What do you mean by electric flux? If you will understand in the simple manner, means number of electric lines crossing per unit area. This is a normal way which we are telling. But if you go to the basic concept, student, what happened? The number of field line crossing per unit area placed normal to the field, means the substance or object or any plate which you are taking, student, that should be the perpendicular to the field. That time only the electric field line can be crossed to that object in a perpendicular manner, and that time electric field will be in a well manner. So what is the electric flux? The number of field line crossing per unit area placed normal to the field at a point is measure the strength of the electric field at that point. So basically it help you to find out what is the strength of electric field at that point. Clear? Now if I will show you through formula, students, see, numbers of field line crossing is directly proportional to E dot ts. E is the electric field and delta S is the cross sectional area. Okay, if you combine, it will come in the form of flux. Clear to you? Okay, suppose here I have drawn one diagram for you. Suppose this is a plate. Okay, what I have done, I have just tilted it. So the electric field line is crossing to the field. So this is the plate. If you will see, student, in a very, this is the plate which I have taken a structure like this. Okay, the electric field line is crossing like this. So the formula is the angle made is, as you know, if we will remove the dot product, it will come as phi equal to E delta S cos theta. Okay, and what is theta? Theta is the angle between electric field and cross sectional area. Okay, and here one thing I must like to tell you. Suppose here I have taken cos theta is 90. Okay, what will the flux, my dear? Yes, cos 90 is 0. It means the line parallel to delta S and not cross at all, means the line what is crossing is parallel to the plate, and we can imagine that there is no cross of any electric line over it, so flux is 0. But similarly, if you will see, if theta is 0 degree, what happens? Cos 0 is 1, means the maximum flux can be created or generated. One important point for you, the area delta S, means here it is, as this flux is a vector quantity, student, you have to find out the direction also. So the area element is the direction is always in outward normal. So how you can understood? See here. Suppose this is a plate. Okay, here I have taken one plate. So this is a plate, my dear. My palm is a plate. How you will can get the direction? You just fold your finger like this. Now fingers is toward you, means it is perpendicular to the surface. So always the perpendicular to the surface will tell you the direction. Okay, so this is we are taking the flux direction, and here we are omitting n cap. That one unit vector we are taking as 1, but you can also write here that is E dot ds n cap for the surface, because it is the symbol for direction, okay, which is normal to the surface. So formula it is delta phi E delta S cos theta. Clear to you? Now similarly you can find the SI unit. E is the electric field, so you know the formula, force per unit charge means Newton per coulomb, delta is the area means meter square. So conclusively you will get this SI unit. Now some work for you, students. See some question I have written for you. You can try to solve this question, and if any doubt in this question, student, you can ask. I hope so you have understood the concept. Now third question I will show you clearly, because half part is written at the backward. So here the complete question is there. Try the question to solve by yourself. If any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much.